Our bank was established in 1884 in Kerkhoven. It's a small rural community about 100 miles west of the Twin Cities, just west of Willmar on Highway 12. Established by a gentleman, W.W. Woodburn. He started the bank with the idea of needing a safe place for people to be able to deposit their money and get loans. In 1905, it became incorporated as a state bank. From 1905 to 2005, the bank only grew from zero to about $20 million in size. So very, very small, slow growth. In 2005, we came to the realization we really had three choices for the bank. Either we can grow the bank, we can sell the bank, or lose money. We really didn't like two of those answers, so we decided we're going to grow the bank. How are we going to do that? Maybe if we can put a branch in another community. We looked at Willmar, but it already had 11 banks in it at that time. So we looked at Benson, and it had 6 banks already in it. So we thought, well, let's look at St. Cloud. It was about 75 miles away. If we're going to go that far, let's look at the Western Metro. Trying to find a community that really fit our values. We ultimately ended up in Albertville. There's a lot going on in the Albertville area. It's a busy area, but it really seemed to fit the hometown feel. So we started the process in 2005 to find a new location. So what are we going to change our name to that's really going to fit our values? We decided financial security is a real value that we want to provide for our customers, something that we're providing for the communities that we're working in, people seeking financial security. At the same time, we wanted to develop a tagline. We knew that if we could help them achieve their financial dreams, we could be their bank. So we determined that our tagline would be your dreams, your bank. We want to help you achieve your dreams. We want to be your bank. From 2007, the bank was about $20 million in size. And today, we're about $80 million. So we've quadrupled in size over the worst recession. We were able to come into the metro area, and we didn't have a lot of the problems that a lot of banks had at that time with commercial real estate loans. We came in with a good, strong, safe and sound loan portfolio, and the bank was in a good position. We were able to grow at a time when other banks were having to contract. We were able to help a lot of customers because their current banking relationship was going away.
In 2009, we were looking for a new bank to refinance our building here during the Great Recession, and it was very difficult to obtain any financing from anybody. We found out about Financial Security Bank from actually a competitor of theirs who recommended them. They talked to us for about 20 to 30 minutes, and at the conclusion of that, they said they would refinance our building and give us a new mortgage on the building. They handle all of our banking needs currently.
We offer a wide variety of loans. We have manufacturing companies, machine shops, we have a lot of healthcare companies that we work with, auto repair shops. We have a lot of local relationships, and we have relationships that are all over the metro area.
We had some improvements done. We needed to do an expansion, really go out of their way. Very caring bank, very down-to-earth people, trustworthy and honest, and those are the types of people that I really enjoy doing business with.
We do a lot of SBA loans. We do a lot of church financing. We've actually been named SBA Lender of the Year. One of the first loans that we made when we came into the metro area was to a church.
God gave us a vision to expand our property, and it was going to be a lot of money, and the actual denomination wasn't able to support us in that, so we went to some local banks.
They were wanting to expand, they were wanting to remodel their current facility.
We got a loan for over $4 million.
I think probably double or triple their size.
It was just a wonderful relationship that began.
That was a start to our church financing. At this time, church financing is the largest portion of our loan portfolio. Being a community bank particularly, we have very local decision-making processes. If they want to talk to the president, I'm here. If I happen to be in a different location, they can get a hold of me anytime, any place.
We were doing a loan, and of all things, Bob is out scuba diving in Florida, and Bob surfaces, gets back into the boat, takes a phone call from someplace in the Florida Keys, gives the okay to do the wire transfer, and we got it done in the nick of time.
I expect that we'll continue to have good controlled growth. We expect that the economy has turned around. Our customers are doing very well. We want to grow with SBA loans, the same kind of commercial industrial loans and commercial real estate type loans, consumer loans, and we do ag lending. We've been doing ag lending out in the Kerkhoven location for over 130 years. We understand what a farmer's needs are. We've gone through the good times, we've gone through the bad times. We have relationships with other banks, with correspondent banks, so we can take on loans of any size. We expect to expand into more consumer financing, home equity loans, auto financing, boats, whatever the financial dream is for our customers. We expect that we'll be able to take care of those and help them achieve those financial dreams.